Hi guys, I've been manifesting that this video will reach to a very specific audience. If this has reached to you, then trust me, this is meant for you. This is going to be a general love reading for 1st of July till 15th of July. So, very quick start by the spirit guide message. And yes, let's just start. And please be reminded, guys, this is going to be a very general reading. So, if any part of it or the entire situation, if it does not resonates with you, then please skip it or just pick up the areas that that may resonates to you, because this is a very general reading. So, it could happen that it might not resonate with everyone. And please come back for another energy reading that I might soon post in the scheduled time. Thank you. Let's just start with the guidance message. Whatever you have been putting off, don't procrastinate any longer. Tackle that long overdue project. You will feel better once you begin. Start with one thing at a time. Thoughts and ideas do not act upon, just laying in wait. You can do this. It seems like you have been avoiding some situation, sorry. But yeah, are you anxious? Are you anxious about some situation? Some is it about leveling up? Is it about leveling up, guys? Are you anxious? Or are you single? If you're single, then this could be around the situation or someone. I see anxiety, and I see due to that anxiety, you are procrastinating, or maybe the fear of loss, fear of vulnerability. Is it the situation, guys? We got High Priestess, we got Six of Swords. Wow. This is such a transitional situation. Such a transitional situation. So I see you're someone running in your head a lot right now. You're anxious, something which is, there for you and you're just avoiding it. Or maybe a level up in your relationship. If you're single, you're just anxious that you just don't, you fear a lot. You run a lot of thoughts around in your head, and that's why you're avoiding a situation. I'm very sure you're avoiding a situation. I see a king of sparkle, a king of fiery energy there. And I see transitions around you. The first message just, ask you to just, stand up and work around the situation. You can't just rest like that and just think that things will get sorted. You can't just do this to yourself. And again, the next two cards, you know, they share the same story. This is about transition. A man and a woman, in the ocean, they're moving ahead. And with Six of Swords, which is a mental transition. And a man in, deserted area, he's just moving away from the emotions. It's very conflicting, guys. It's a very conflicting situation. But it does need you to stop, think a lot on your head and start moving. Start moving somewhere. You need to give peace on your mental energy, the things that you're, overanalyzing, the fears that have been holding you. Just understand that these fear is something which has, made you blocked from receiving your emotional energy that you deserve. Look at the mirror, guys. I mean, this is what I see. Numerically, this is 4 and 6, but If there had would been a mirror, this would be opposite. This basically asks you to stop overthinking, move away from those, stumbled thoughts that you know, just going around in your head and making you worry a lot. And just lay down, give yourself peace, because there is an emotional transition that is going to happen soon. Yes, a wake up call. Now, please wake up. It's a wake up call, guys. It's a judgment. These, your fortune or your story of life is going to turn, guys. Wait a minute. There is lot of transition. There is lot of transition. I just dot everything here. I see mental, a lot of thing that is in your head. Just head. You need to stop it. You need to put a pause on it, have some rest, and transit. You need to transit from your mental energies. You need to, loosen up your fear, anxieties, the emotions that have been blocking you. You need to turn that away. There is a wake up call that divinity is giving you right now. That this situation that you are currently going through, you need to, change your perception around it. Let's just see more about your partner. I see a text or call that is going to come. Okay, from your partner. Avoidance. I see a communication, a small mode of communication that is coming to your way. Your partner is currently hurt with this situation. They are confused with what's going around, because on surface these energies, your energies look so perfect. You're so charming. You're so, you know mesmerizing for them. You're just like a victory. Like, having you in their life is like a victory for them. But they are currently hurt. They are currently hurt because of the avoidance energy that you're holding around. Because um, if you're single, then this person is not your partner yet, but this is a potential situation. And if you're not, then there's some kind of conflict that is going around your partner. Your partner has a very good eyes on you, like they see you someone very magnetic person. You know, they they enjoy your company. They treat you like a victory. They treat you like their own victory of life. Like, you are so, prestigious for them, but they are currently hurt. But I see small movements, small like action of again from them, though they are hurt, but what a situation. There is some action that is going to come from them. Let's just let's just discover more about this action and their situation. Oh, wow. I definitely see a communication. I definitely see some communication. Definitely see some communication around. I see a small uh, heartfelt communication that your partner is will reach to you, but expect it to be a bit small and like a bit slow because it's an earthy energy. But you both are going to have a meaningful conversation very soon. You know, just to tell you about what your partner feels. I mean, as I described it earlier, you're very magnetic to them. And if you see the coming two cards, this shows their attraction towards you. You know, they know that this is a very meaningful connection in their life. You know, it's the Lovers card. It's a divinity connection that they have. It's a Gemini energy again. And they see you someone very respectful, you know. They see you someone very independent, very choice, very, you're someone who enjoys your company. You are just unbothered person, you know. It's not that you don't feel emotions. You have a lot of fears around you. This is what I sense. You're not someone like a player. You're not that. I'm not just saying you're that person. But there is definitely a sense of fear around you. Maybe you have been hurt in past. Maybe there was some situation around you that had made you like this. But I feel your energy that you're someone very hurt, and your partner soon going to, have a small conversation with you, and that would lead to a very heartfelt open up conversation that, dear, I am just, the situation is a bit tough for me. I'm feeling exhausted, and I need to let you know that you're a very important person for me. You know, a very similar conversation you both will have. There is a tower movement beneath. I see that's your energy. Like this conversation was really, really, really needed. If someone is reaching to you, your partner, or a potential partner, then please don't avoid, because there is a big transformation that is going to happen right after that. There is an external energy that may hit you so hard that you will finally realize is it like to release a big blocked energy right now. And this communication is really important, guys. Please don't avoid it. Yeah, justice needs to be served. I mean, it's not that you are doing bad thing. It's just you're unaware. Like how hard have you been on your partner right now? You're just unaware. That tower movement will lift you up. And I see small, but a stable connection finally, stable movement finally that you will have to take further. Yeah. Just, oh, oh. Very small movement, but definitely movement. Definitely a very controlled movement. Now, I feel that tower movement or that communication that you're going to have, that will be a big leading points towards a change, because it's a big card. It's a justice card from Major Arcana. And yeah, this will put things balance, and you might realize what went wrong in the situation in the past. Please, guys, don't avoid your partner. Give them a chance. I mean, I feel this energy that there has been some avoiding energy from you. You might be hurt in the past, maybe because of them or maybe because of someone else. But you were hurt, and you need to release it. You can't just sit up there and think like, you know things will change by the time. But it's not like that. You have to come up and act upon. This relationship is like a project for you, or you my dear friend, if you're single, then trust me, there is divine connection that is coming around. You're just avoiding it. You need to look around. If there is any potential chance, you will feel it in your energy. I I can sense it. You will feel it in your energy. Yeah, yeah, wow. What a beautiful card, right? It's a stability. Oh wow. What else you need? You have all the confirmation that was required. You really have to move ahead. Between 1st to 15th July, if you receive any sort of communication from your partner, if there has been a fight that was going in recent past, what you need to do, dear, you don't need to avoid it. Rather, you need to sit down, talk maturely, because there is a partner, you know, who values you so much, and you're just right now not in that emotional stage that you're, you know, you're looking from the angle that you are required to, and you're avoiding the energies. Just please don't waste it. Don't waste this opportunity. That communication is really important for you both. Just decide whatever you want after that, not before that. Please don't block this energy, guys. Let me just check new messages from spirit guides. Okay. Wow. It seems like there is definitely a past trauma that you're carrying right now. You see, this is the middle of the card. The whole theme started from here and coming till here. This is where your current situation is. This is the past, this is the future, and this is your present. What do I need to tell you? I mean, this is so clear. You have been, suppressing something inside you, maybe some emotional trauma, maybe, a past situation that has been hurt, and maybe some situation in your relationship that didn't work out well. You know, you're just holding on that energy very hard. What I feel is you really need to communicate, and need to leave the, you know, accumulated negative energies that you have surrounded yourself, your fears, your anxiety, your, you know, energy around the situation that this might not work. You need to let it go because someone in the past might have, put you in very confused situation, or might be some situation that has put you in a very confused situation, so that you need to release, you need to let things go. Yes, there is unrequited feelings. There is unrequited feelings. You need to release it. You know, there is not enough to keep this relationship going in a healthy way. This does not resemble to the current energy, guys. This is the present energy. This is the future energy. This is the past that you have been holding on. I see whatever you have been putting off, don't procrastinate any longer. Tackle that project, overdue project. You will feel better once you begin. I feel that project was releasing your energy so that you can, work on things that you have been avoiding. Yes, start with one thing at a time. Thoughts and ideas does not act upon just laying in a wait. You can do it. Yes, you can do it. Let go of the need of to control. Don't just control the situation, guys. It's a soulmate that is coming your way and who will bring an unconditional love to you. You know how let me just try to put up all the cards. I am sorry that I've merged the beneath bottom of the deck cards, but we can still you know just check quickly what all cards we have and have this clarity for the moment. There has been some avoidance in the past because of the past energies, which needs transition, which needs rest, and that mental energy needs to be released. This needs to be released. Keep it in the past, guys. Keep it in the past. And that, fear of vulnerability, fear of loss that needs to be released. You need a transition. You need a transition. You need a transition. I see a judgment card and a wheel of fortune. Things are going to change. This is your wake up call, guys. Your partner is someone who sees you like a pride situation, like someone someone who values you a lot, someone who values you a lot. You feel a divine connection to them. You feel so independent, so strong to them that you're like a magnet to them. You just attract them gracefully. There is a wake up call. Your partner is exhausted. Your partner is exhausted, and there is a wake up call for you that justice needs to be served. You need to move out. You need to move out and initiate a beginning. You know, initiate a beginning, and you need to move away from the old situation, from that old energy that you were feeling earlier. You can't just lay down and think, okay, maybe, whatever going to happen will happen anyhow. You can't just think about it. You can't just procrastinate with your project. That project is healing your energies that have been blocking your current situation, guys. There is a control movement that is coming in your way. Please don't avoid it. Please don't avoid this energy. You know, this communication is really important for you. You need to let go the need of control. It's a soulmate connection, and it will bring unconditional love. I hope this resonates with you, and I really pray that whatever the situation you are facing, you will come out from that situation, and you will be able to release this energy. This July month is actually very blissful for a lot of you, and take it as you know big project that you release what your energy you are holding right now, all those negative energies, because once that energy is released, the movement will come effortlessly. To heal, you need to release some old baggages. I pray for a good future for you, and please do like, share, and subscribe. This is about energy exchange, and by doing so, you and I are both tied together. Thank you.